Area. You are aware of the concept of measuring the boundary of a rectangle or a square. Having calculated its perimeter, next you can calculate the size of a field, a rectangle, or a square. To calculate the size of a field, you need to know its dimensions. The enclosed area between these dimensions is the total size of the field. In this topic, you will learn to calculate the area of a rectangle and a square. This is Meera. She wants to buy a farm. How will she know how large the field is? Look at Puneet. He says his kite is larger than Shyam's. How will they find out whether Puneet is correct? This is Gopal's new house. Let us enter the hall. Gopal wishes to fix tiles on the floor of the hall. He asks the mason, "How many tiles do I need to buy?" Do you know how to calculate the number of tiles needed? In a triangle, the region enclosed by its sides, that is, its interior, is called the triangular region. For any plane figure, its magnitude is a measurement of its interior. To compare the magnitude of two regions, you need another numerical measure other than perimeter. The bigger the region, the larger the magnitude. The greater will be the value of this measure. Our eyes tell us that one rectangle is bigger than the other, or one triangle is bigger than the other. But we need to know exactly by how much it is bigger or smaller. The concept of area is of great practical significance. For example, if the size of an agricultural field is large, it will require more effort and time to till the land as compared to a smaller field. There are more lines on the larger sheet of paper than the smaller sheet of paper. This slab of chocolate obviously has more chocolate than the little one on the side. You learned to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle in the previous topic. You will recall that the perimeter of a rectangle is given as P is equal to 2 into L plus B. To calculate the area of a rectangular figure, we need to consider the region enclosed within the boundaries of its four sides. The area of a rectangle is the product of its sides, namely length and breadth.
Area is equal to length into breadth, or area is equal to L into B.
Similarly, to calculate the area of a square, you need to know the measure of its sides. The area of a square is given as a product of its sides. Area is equal to side into side, or area is equal to side square. You can also calculate the dimensions of the length or the breadth of a rectangle if you know the area by using the formula as displayed. Length is equal to area by breadth units, or L is equal to A by B. Breadth is equal to area by length units, or B is equal to A by L. B is equal to A divided by L. The standard unit of measuring area is square centimeters or centimeter square. However, to find the area of larger lands and fields, larger units such as square meters or meter square, are used. The process of finding the area or perimeter remains the same. Only you replace centimeters with meters and square centimeters with square meters. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind while calculating the area. To calculate the area of a rectangle, you must express its length and breadth in the same unit. If both are measured in millimeters, then the area is calculated in millimeters square. If both are measured in centimeters, then the area is calculated in square centimeters. If both are measured in meters, then the area is calculated in square meters. Therefore, if one of the sides is in meters and the other is in centimeters, you need to convert both to either centimeters or meters. Let's look at an example to calculate the area. Madhu needs to dry clean the carpet, fully covering a floor having dimensions 1600 centimeters and 10 meters. What is the total cost of dry cleaning the carpet if the rate of dry cleaning per meter square is Rs 25? First, we need to convert the dimensions to the same unit. Therefore, the dimensions of the floor in meters will be calculated. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Then 1600 centimeters is equal to 1600 by 100 meters, that is equal to 16 meters. The other side is 10 meters. Since it's a rectangular floor, therefore its area is a product of its length and breadth. Here the length is 16 meters and the breadth is 10 meters. Area is equal to L into B. That is equal to 16 into 10 square meters. That is equal to 160 square meters. Next, we need to calculate the cost of dry cleaning the carpet. The cost of dry cleaning per square meter of the carpet is Rs 25. Then the cost of dry cleaning 160 square meters will be 160 into 25. That is equal to 4000 rupees. Hence, the cost of dry cleaning 160 square meters of the carpet will be Rs 4000.